Anna, I have got something really cool to share with you today. We are at Prova in Toronto, their headquarters.
Yeah.
And we are going to have like a really cool day of training and learning this new waterproofing system for bathrooms.
That's awesome.
So you know how we do a lot of bathrooms with our company.
Yeah.
This product is readily available in Canada. It's super customizable. And quite frankly, I am super excited to be here to learn some new stuff.
Cool, me too.
Let's do it.
I'm super happy to be getting trained, but why are you here?
Honestly, I'm hoping to get a free t-shirt.
Typical.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This is so exciting.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here.
So
And
honest.
we got some really cool trainers here to help us through. This is Dwayne. Dwayne, I'm Ryan.
All right.
Hey, I'm Anna.
Anna, pleased to meet you guys.
How are you?
We're late.
Oh, late.
Yeah.
You got to prep for. You got to be.
We tried our best.
Like-
We're a little late.
They've been sitting down here for quite a while.
I know. We're not
Yeah.
used to Toronto traffic.
Toronto traffic.
Yeah. We're Ottawa. There's only
Yeah,
one road.
Ottawa doesn't have traffic.
Yeah. Okay.
So we're just doing some theory right now, and I know it's boring, but it's something we got to go through first.
Okay.
Then we bring it all together in the afternoon and do the hands-on, the installs.
Cool.
That's where everything comes together. It's gonna be
Okay.
fantastic. So now we're done the theory part, the boring part. Now it's the fun time. This is when it brings it all together. So what I want you to do, we've got a 48-inch pan. It's not gonna fit in this panel. You gotta cut it down. You got a curb to put in. You got your drain to put in. Then you're gonna put your membrane on top of that. Then you're gonna do your inside and outside corners. You're gonna do your joint strip. And you're gonna do membrane on this wall only. We're gonna put the Prova board in the back wall. And we're gonna cut a niche into it. Don't forget, this pan is the wrong side. This drain's not center. So you can't just think it's a center drain. You gotta measure. That's what we're gonna do. So we got 2 or 3 going on here. And who's gonna pair up? Are you two gonna pair up?
Us?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Oh, this is gonna be a competition.
A little
yeah.
bit. Yeah. And I'm, you know what? That way I can inspect her work on site. You know, because my pants are clean. I don't normally.
You're gonna inspect her work.
Yeah. I'm gonna be that good.
You sure you got this, Ryan? My vote's on Anna.
Oh.
She looks like a Tyler. You're pretty clean. We'll see at the end how clean you are.
Are you giving us notes, like a list?
I will. I already did.
Oh shoot!
You weren't listening.
I wasn't listening. Okay. All right. I'll be good. I'll be good. I got it.
Yeah,
I got it.
All right, you
Yeah.
got it. So let's get at it, guys. Let's have some fun.
This would be my area, Anna,
Oh, all right.
and you can be there.
And you guys will be
You can't look at my work, eh?
No, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna. First thing I gotta do is sharpen my pencil.
Whoa!
Oh, sorry about that. Sorry.
back left. I know what's going there, and I usually just even take an arrow because that's my starting when I want it. That back left corner.
Yeah.
This is back right. This is front right and front left. If I spread the back of these and hand it to you, you know where it goes.
Yeah.
There's no mistake. Because that drain's not centered, you put the wrong one in the wrong place, the other ones won't fit.
Yeah, and then this.
And then I guess another F and a
front
B.
and back.
So,
And this is gonna be back left.
Oh.
This is left. Well, that's right. That's right. There we go.
you're doing great, Ryan.
I can do it. I keep losing my measurement though. I'm gonna track it down. Oh, 13 and 5/8. Just want to make sure. Let's see what they're doing. Everyone. The more I'm inspecting than I am, you know. I want to make sure that everyone's having a good time and that everyone understands the lesson. You know, and I'm here to help you if you need help. I'll stop doing what I'm doing. And by the way, when you're done cutting yours, can you give it to me? I want to trace it out on mine.
Measure twice,
Yeah.
cut once.
Okay. I'm gonna measure one more
not
time.
13,
I'm gonna
14.
measure one more time just to make sure.
You're gonna wear out the path from that pan to that shower.
Dwayne, I don't know if you were paying attention earlier, but these lines here are perfectly straight. I don't even need to mark a line. I just did that for my eyes. So I have that. See my glasses?
Yeah.
I'm starting to fall apart,
You want me
Dwayne.
to clean them for you?
No,
No, they're
no,
good.
it's not going
All
to make
right.
a difference.
All right. I think Anna will probably be at the bar having a beer, and Ryan's still gonna be here and probably still cutting. It's another way of doing it.
What's wrong with
I
that?
don't know. I didn't say anything wrong. It says another way of doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah. This first pan comes at no charge.
Okay.
Ones after that, if you screw up,
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
I got to pay for it, eh? Cool.
yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm the last one. I feel good. I haven't cut myself yet. And I'm confident of my measurements. I just measured once. I measured it once and I traced it out and then now I'm ready to cut. Yeah.
Anna measured twice and cut one.
How many times did Ryan measure?
I lost track. He was measuring quite a bit, like way more than a dozen times. Way more. And Now he's throwing stuff. Anna's got a knife in her hand. He's throwing stuff at her.
You want to start throwing stuff now? Is that what you want to do?
That was an accident. Well, right now I kind of feel a little picked on. I came here to learn some things. I've learned some stuff, don't get me wrong, but I was set up, made some mistakes, some rookie mistakes. You know, it's kind of late in the season to be making these mistakes, but it's okay because I think I'm going to redeem myself here with this waterproofing membrane. No, it's good. It's good. Yeah, I mismeasured. It's all good. Today. I don't know, Anna. I don't know how this is going. What do you think?
I mean, I'm fine.
You're fine? You have a good time?
You seem to be having like a mental breakdown.
No, I'm not having a mental breakdown.
Ryan,
actually be
we
my
got to
pleasure.
finish today.
Ryan?
We got to finish today.
Okay.
Back to work.
Okay,
Come on,
I'll go.
That's the first time I've
Leave Anna alone. She's
No,
doing a great job.
She's doing a great job. You're right.
And so are you, Ryan.
Pencil go. He's helping her. Wait, hey, he's helping her. I get no help whatsoever.
Oh, yeah. That's what I thought maybe. You are a legend in your own mind.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. I'm going to take that as a compliment.
Yeah, no, I would. Yeah, I would.
Dwayne, I'm done.
Yeah, you are. And I gotta say, really nice job. I like your corners in here. What did you think about that Prova Seal nozzle?
Honestly, I thought it was super cool.
Wasn't that neat?
Super cool.
It's
Yeah.
half the material, half the time.
Love it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
fantastic. Nice job with the niche. There's a nice joint you had in there. Get your membrane on, inside, outside corners. There's Prova joints in. Nice job. So now we're gonna go over to see Ryan's.
Right. Okay.
I think that this is unfair.
You know,
It's unfair.
It's definitely
Number one,
unfair.
Number one, you guys stacked all the garbage next to me.
Well, this job site
Right.
wasn't being worked on, so that's why we put all the stuff over
Yeah,
there, right?
exactly,
The
yeah.
job site that was
Yeah.
being worked on, we removed it.
Yeah, I see that. So that's
Yeah.
fine.
But-
I had a great day. I did learn some stuff.
Oh, that's
right.
good. Yeah.
And Anna did great. Anna's going to be our installer anyway. The stuff that I got to do, it was absolutely amazing.
I know
Thank you.
we were rough on you today.
Yeah, I know.
It was so much fun. I mean, I just had such a great time
Thank
with
you
you
so
guys.
much.
Cool.
Good job.
If I was to introduce this product to someone who's never seen it before, the first thing that I would say is that this product was engineered with the installer in mind. It was engineered to go in cleanly, and it was engineered to go in quickly. But further to that, this company really backs their product, and they actually help the installers learn. I spent an amazing day here today learning some really great techniques to install this product, and that is something that's very important in the industry. Taking time out to make partnerships, to make friendships, but also to learn new products and really learn how to install it properly. Because when you install a product properly, it lasts the test of time, and that's awesome. Anna, start the cart! Start the cart!
No.